box cheese. Start with your hands like this, and then swing the staff left to the right of your body. As it gets to the side, you flip the other hand on the other side, stop the rotation, and push it again. So you end up doing this type of thing here with your hands. So push, flip, push, push, push. Once you can do that, you can do the vertical as well. Same thing with your hands. Vertical, 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 vertical. Then get it rolling away from you or towards you, it doesn't matter. So normal chi roll, and then left and right, backwards and forwards, using it to flip, and then vertical. Flip, 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 flip. You can flip with the back of your hand or the front of your hand. Doesn't really matter which side. And once you get horizontal, you can change into vertical. So horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Pretend you're in the cube. If you're in the cube here, when you're doing your chi roll direction changes, if you hold the end of the staff in the corner of the cube, isolate the staff around those ends, you can then create a cube-like structure, I suppose. So you can go isolate, isolate, change, change, change. Horizontal, isolate the end, vertical, vertical, horizontal slide, horizontal, 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 vertical. Get the idea. So you can change between horizontal and vertical at each change.